Greetings, welcome to this tutorial on how to save a preset in Adobe Camera Raw. And so here I've got an image and I've already cropped this image. And in here I've got a very light post-crop vignette set on here. And I want to save that because I like that setting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll up in here. And I'm going to click on this, this pull-down menu. And I'm going to go down to Save Settings. I'm going to click on Save Settings. And let's zoom back out here. And in this window, I'm seeing what settings do I want to save. Well, I don't want to save everything because it would pertain to this picture way too much. So I want to go just to the post-crop vignetting. And in here, that's the only setting I want to get. So let's hit Save. And then it's going to prompt me, where do I want to save it and what do I want to save it as? And so on the Mac side, it already has a predetermined settings folder for you. So I would just leave that as the default and then give this a name. In this particular case, I want to name it the settings that I set it to. So in this case, it's a 7%, 13 midway, it's a 33 roundness, and a 63% feathering. And so, and I'm just going to leave it as the numbers. You can name it whatever you want for your settings. And then I'm going to click on Save. And now, when I go back in and I go to Apply Preset, you can see right there's my new one, 713 33 63. And you can see in here I've got like medium sharpening, sharpen and saturation. And so those are just those settings, or maybe this one is a combination of two settings, sharpen and a saturation. It's something that I do on every picture. So it's something that I wanted to take less time out of doing. So other than that, thanks for watching. If you have any other further questions, make sure you go ahead and reply in the comments. And if you like this content and any of the further content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Have a great rest of the day.